Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can increase your deposit limits in Coinbase. So what we're going to do is launch the Coinbase app. Then from the homepage of the Coinbase app, we're going to open up our menu, clicking that option in the upper left-hand corner. Then right at the top of the menu, we're going to find where it says Account and Settings, and we're going to click on that. In your account and settings page, of course, you have your payment methods, which I'm assuming you've already linked up. I've linked my bank account, PayPal, and debit card, but really in terms of getting a higher deposit limit, that's generally going to be from your bank account. But if we continue to scroll down in our menu, we'll find this area where it says limits. We want to click on that. In the limits page, it's going to show you all the different options that you have and the limits associated with them for deposits. The bank account for me right now is limited at $5,000 per day. And if I scroll down, I also have a PayPal linked up. That's limiting me to $1,000 per day. The upwards limits of these can be upwards of $25,000, and the things that are going to impact the limit and whether it'll go up is if you've done ID verification, the age of your account, so the longer that you use it. Gradually, these deposit amounts can go up. How often you're purchasing, the amount of crypto that you're purchasing, things like that can impact increasing that deposit limit. We can see that by if we click on something like the bank transfers option here, it'll show the limits that are on my account currently. But towards the bottom of this particular pop-up, again, it's saying that many factors, including verification, age of account, purchase history, things like that, are going to impact your deposit limits. If I click Learn More, it's basically saying that I can increase this limit by increasing my volume of crypto purchases while ensuring that my Coinbase account is verified and remains secure. So I have ID verification, already gone through that. And it's just the volume of crypto and the amount of deposits that I have done have not been very large up to this point in time, only a couple $100. With this account, that's only a couple of weeks old, so I wouldn't expect my limit to go up. And if you don't want to go through this process organically to try to increase those limits, you can also directly contact Coinbase support to try to increase this limit, and you can do that by, again, opening up our menu from the homepage. And from the menu, we click on this little question mark here in the upper right-hand corner. From the help page, if we scroll down towards the bottom, you can find your support cases here, but then you can ask Coinbase anything from this option right here. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to start you off with the virtual assistant. So I'm going to enter in here in the chat that I want to increase my deposit limit from my bank. So entering in that information, we'll see what the virtual assistant has to say. And in the answer it gives us, it says you can review your account limits as well as what you need to do to obtain the next level of limits by using this link. That'll take us to the page that we had already been to previously, where it showed all the limits and gave us some advice as to how we would go about increasing this. And it says Coinbase uses a progression system to determine the limits on your account. Generally, you can increase your limits by verifying details on your account and having more payment volume. And if you'd like to do a chat support with an actual human to try to increase your limits, just anytime you get a virtual assistant response, just do a thumbs down, and eventually they should contact you with a human to help you through this chat. And the human that you chat with might be able to increase your limits, but again, it's just going to depend on the age of your account, your verification status, and things like that. But I hope this tutorial was helpful, going over where you can see your limits, how you can go about increasing them in Coinbase. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.